right, everybody, let's go ahead now and work the bouncing spinning drill so you can get a super turtle escape. All right, so here how it goes. Okay, so you're here on the ground, bring your arms close to you. Okay, and here, this is how you circle. You kind of bring your legs back and forth like that, just going towards one direction. You kick and bounce, kick and bounce. As you kick and bounce, you keep rolling, and all to the turtle. So as you finish, windshield and sit back. And once you're here now, same thing again. Bring your hands together. You can kind of here, bounce and roll, bounce and roll, and turtle, windshield, and trap. Let's go to the other side here real quick, okay? So look, the trick is to do a little half circle with your foot. Bounce and circle. Circle and roll. Roll and turtle. Turtle and sit. Sit and lie. Lie and trap. One more time, the other side now. Bounce and roll. Let me try to go here real quick. Sorry guys, that's not part of the motion. So here, keep your hands here, close to you. Bounce and spin. Bounce and spin. Spin and roll. Roll and turtle. Turtle and sit and roll. Flat and trap.